Welcome to Nicorium Tech, where I teach simple and practical tech tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows PC. The first thing you have to do is to open Microsoft Edge by double-click on it. Goes to search bar, type download Chrome. Then wait for it. Scroll down and search for official website google.com. Google Chrome, download the fast, secure browser from Google. Click on this link. You will see the blue button for download. Click on it. It will automatically download it. As you can see here, it is short setup, like kilobytes. Open file. Allow for administrator. It will start installing process, then wait for it to finish the process. After process goes to the end, it will create shortcut on the desktop, and what you need to do is to open it and start browsing everything you want with this Chrome. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this.